boys and girls, and welcome back to Gordon Guitar KHEA's here song. It's Interluv RCP. I'm not pretty sure about that pronunciation or what it means, but anyway, it's featuring Asan. Very easy to play this kind of introductional song perhaps to this album, but anyway, I'm not sure about that. Let's take a look at the song. And no name for cape on this one. We're going with 4 chords. It goes in the same way through entire song. So the first one will be the F sharp minor. It's a bar chord, so you place the bar here on the 2nd fret over all strings. All right, and then the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. And then the next chord will be D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have the A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then the final chord is another bar chord there. It's a C sharp minor. This time the bar is on the 4th fret. You bar all strings except for the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings there, and then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Okay, so you're gonna play this in just 2 different ways if you want. Just plain downs. One way is to play it for 2 downs per chord, so and this same chord progression and in the same order as we learned the chord. F sharp, D, D, C sharp minor 2 times, or you add up to 4 times. And that's it, guys. Very easy to play a song, so hope that was helpful. Play tuned.